Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with an ATC swap between Sabrina _crafty _journey and Helen Loves to Create. Let's show you Sabrina's. And the theme was fruit. Okay. I can't get it out. Oh. Alright, I'm just going to show it. I can't get it out with my hands. I love how Sabrina did this with the guest check and a little strawberries. And she's got S and strawberry $2.99, subtotal $2.99. And I guarantee she titled it Fruit. For some reason. I can't get it out. I might have to have one of the grands get that out for me later. Oh, there, I got it. See, right there. Fruit, Sabrina Crafty Journey, June trade. So cute. Oh, they're little, the strawberries, you could feel them. And then she got 3 right there. And then we have Helen's, and it looks like Helen drew this and did the background and the pears. So cool. She colored them, and there's a, I don't know if you guys can see the shimmer. The shimmer. I love people that can draw. And fruit. Helen Loves to Create. So there is that one. So cool. Thanks for ladies for swapping with me. I hope you both are doing well as all of you. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.